Okay, we're going to the Heartland Covered Bridge, exit 172, New Brunswick. It's here.
Dito na? Hindi, may bumata tayo isa.
Let's see.
Heartland. May Heartland pala.
We just go straight and then
Edmunds.
left.
Ito pala eh. Sa mag-left.
Sa kanto. Kantong-kantohan.
Hindi, baka yun eh, ano eh.
Kantong-kanto, oh. Wala ka nang maano, dead end na yun.
North.
So this is the one here. This one.